Hello, beautiful, lovely people. Ramadan is just around the way, starting March 1st, 2025. Ramadan, very special Ramadan this year. I'm going to show you guys how I pray, how to pray in Islam with the 5 prayers a day. We are on our final prayer of the night, and I'm just going to run through it while including some instruction in the side comment with the words I'm actually saying along with their translations, and then the step-by-step process on how to do a proper Salah. And of course, with this prayer, end of the night, this is 4 different rakats. So there'll be a little bit of repetition, but we'll see how we run through it. Usually I go ahead and just speak the words, sometimes silently to myself, sometimes a low whisper, and then sometimes a little bit louder, right, depending on the time and the mood, right? And I'll try to maybe, sometimes you can speak the prayer melodically, almost like a song. So I'll see what comes about. I might just speak, sing, if you will, sing, and then speak. We'll see how it flows. All right.
Allahu Akbar. Subhaanaka Allaahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa ilaaha ghayruka. Ar-Rahmaanir-Raheem. Maaliki Yawmid-Deen. Iyyaaka wa nasta'een. Ihdinas-Siraatal-Mustaqeem. Siraatal-lazeena alaihim. ghayril-maghdoobi alaihim. lad-daaalleen. Amen. He is Allah, the one and the only, the eternal, the absolute. He begetteth not, nor is he begotten. There is none like unto him. Allahu Akbar. Rabbil. Rabbil. Sami Allahu liman hamdiya. Rabbana wa lakal hamd. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Rabbil. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Subhaanaka Allaahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa ilaaha ghayruka. Ar-Rahmaanir-Raheem. Maaliki Yawmid-Deen. Iyyaaka wa nasta'een. Ihdinas-Siraatal-Mustaqeem. Siraatal-lazeena alaihim. Ghayril-maghdoobi alaihim. Lad-daaalleen. Amen. I seek refuge with the Lord and Cherisher of mankind, the God of mankind, the ruler of mankind, from the mischief of the whisper of evil, who withdraws after his whisper, the same who whispers into the hearts of mankind, among jinn, among men. Allahu Akbar. Subhaanaka Allaahumma. Sami Allahu liman hamdiya. Rabbana wa lakal hamd. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Rabbil. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Subhaanaka Allaahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa ilaaha ghayruka. Ar-Rahmaanir-Raheem. Maaliki Yawmid-Deen. Iyyaaka wa nasta'een. Ihdinas-Siraatal-Mustaqeem. Siraatal-lazeena alaihim. Yawmid-Deen alaihim. Lad-daaalleen. Amen. To thee we have granted the fount of abundance. Therefore turn to thy Lord in prayer and sacrifice. For he who hateth thee will be cut off from thy future hope. Allahu Akbar. Subhaanaka Rabbil. Sami Allahu liman hamdiya. Rabbana wa lakal hamd. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Rabbi اغفر لي Rabbi اغفر لي الله أكبر. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك وتباركاسمك وتعالى جدك والله إله غيرك بسم الله الرحمن-الرحيم مالiki Yawmid-Deen Iyyaaka na'budu wa Iyyaaka nasta'een Ihdinas-Siraatal-Mustaqeem Siraatal-lazeena alaihim ghayril-maghdoobi alaihim lad-daaalleen. Amen. 113 Al-Falaq. I seek refuge with the Lord of the Dawn, from the mischief of created things, from the mischief of darkness as it overspreads, from the mischief of those who practice secret arts, and from the mischief of the envious one as he practices envy. O Lord, Subhaanaka Allaahumma, Subhaanaka Allaahumma, Subhaanaka Allaahumma, Sammi Allahu liman hamdihi, Rabbana wa lakal hamd. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Rabbi اغفر لي Rabbi اغفر لي Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
And so there you have it. When you're standing up there in prayer, sometimes it can feel like an eternity. It can feel like it's taking so much time, especially if it's midday, in the middle of work, such and such. But listen, looking at the video, it was almost 5-6 minutes, and doing that just a little bit each day, setting up that routine, super, super valuable, super, super important, and really just a beautiful practice to get into the habit of as we move through these difficult times. But that is the prayer. Again, I will be posting the instructions, the translations, the step-by-steps, the moves. I wish I could have put the camera down during prostration, but for the privacy of my own and the sacred nature of the prayer, I will just do some images of how it's supposed to look. And if you have any questions, as always, please reach out. I will be a happy teacher and guide for you. God bless you. Talk to you later.